Today, I'm showing you 3 of the most powerful TradingView indicators for order book trading. Watch closely, because understanding order flow can be the difference between losing and making money. Right, so now let's jump into TradingView, because now I want to show you guys the best indicators for order book trading, at least in my personal opinion. So the first indicator I want to show you guys is actually not really an indicator. You usually find the indicators here in the indicators tab, but here I want to go to, you see where it says candles. Right now we're looking at a normal candlestick chart, but what you do want to do is that you want to go down and click on volume footprint right here. And as you can see, after you click on this one, the whole appearance of the chart will change, and your chart should look something like this. And by the way, I think that right now the volume footprint is only available for TradingView Premium, but luckily I do have a special link to TradingView that you can use to get free 30 days of TradingView Premium, and you will also get a $15 bonus from that link. So make sure to use that link if you haven't already, so you can follow along with this indicator. But in simple terms, what the volume footprint chart basically show you is historical volume at certain level. So how you can think about this is basically that this is historical order books that you can see on the chart. So you can basically see how the orders have been flowing in the past, and we can, as traders, use this information to potentially predict how the prices will move here in the future. And unfortunately, in this video, I don't really have time to go too much in depth for this indicator, but what I can show you right away is a settings I tend to use. So you right click right here, you go down to settings, and then if you go to, as you can see right here, it says volume footprint. And what I like to do is to change the type here from buy and sell and choose delta right here. So I choose delta and then I go down and press OK. Because now, instead of having both the buy and sell side, now we will simply see the buy volume minus the sell volume. So when we have green bars, this means that we had more buy volume than sell volume at that particular level. And when we have red bars, that means that we had more sell volume than buy volume at that particular level. But as I said, guys, if you want to learn more about the volume footprint chart, I do have a video about that, and I will make sure to link the video both in the video card and the description. But now, many of you guys might already know about the volume footprint, so you might be curious what are some other indicators that we can use here. And another indicator we can actually use, now you want to go up to the indicators tab in TradingView, and then you want to search for, once again, volume, but now you want to search for volume profile. So here you have a few different volume profiles to choose between, and you also have tons of volume volume profiles created by the community. But for now, we can use just the visible range volume profile. This indicator is a bit different than the volume footprint, because now we will show, how much volume have been traded at certain levels. So this is not, so if you, for example, look at the bar right here, this indicates how much sell and how much buy volume that have been traded at this particular horizontal level, right? And because we are using the visible range, you will see that when you change the range of TradingView, the volume profile should change. So as you can see, we zoomed out a bit and the volume profile will change. And for this indicator, once again, we don't have time to go over every indicator, but I'm definitely interested in making a video, a specific video about the volume profile in the future. So let me know down in the comments if you want to see a video on that. Last but definitely not least, I can show you guys one more indicator. This one is called the CVD. You can see here, once again, we have tons of different indicators, but you can simply open up this one right here. And this one is pretty similar to the volume footprint chart, because what the CVD basically tracks, it tracks the buy volume minus the sell volume. So a rising CVD means that the buyers are dominant or that the buyers are in control, and a falling CVD means that the sellers are dominant, or in other words, in control. And this right here is yet another indicator that I do want to dive even deeper into. But right, guys, so this video is getting pretty long, so I do think I will wrap up right here, but I will make sure to release this whole presentation to our YouTube channel members. All gold members and all diamond members will get access to this presentation. I do have some both some beginner friendly order book trading strategies and some more intermediate trading strategies, like for example spoofing and much more that I haven't had the time to talk about yet. But all gold and diamond members will get access to this. So if you want to get access to this presentation and support the channel, please consider becoming a channel member by clicking join down below. And also, guys, when you are ready to continue your trading journey, I highly recommend to check out this playlist right here. It contains all the free full courses I have on trading right here on YouTube.